Welcome back to Nadia Pets Cross. Today's video is about gender identification of lovebirds. Means how we can differentiate between a male lovebird and a female lovebird. Lovebirds are a popular species of small parrots that are often kept as pets. One important aspect of caring for lovebird is being able to accurately identify their gender. This is because male and female lovebirds have different physical and behavioral characteristics and may require different diets, housing arrangements, and socialization. There are several methods for identifying the gender of lovebirds, including visual sexing, DNA testing, and behavioral observations. Visual sexing involves examining the bird's physical characteristics, such as the shape of its head, beak, and body, as well as the color and pattern of its feathers. DNA testing, on the other hand, involves analyzing the bird's genetic material to determine its sex. Behavioral observation may also be used, as male and female lovebirds often exhibit different behaviors during courtship and mating. In this video, we will give details of total 8 visual gender identification methods you can use for the identification of your male and female lovebirds yourself. Coming over, number 1, it's the head shape. Males usually have a larger and broader head, while females have a smaller and more rounded head. Number 2, beak size. Males typically have a large and broader beak, while females have a smaller and more delicate beak. Eye rings. Males usually have a more pronounced eye ring or eye circle, while females have a less distinct or absent eye ring. On the number 4 is the tail length. Males typically have longer tail feathers than the females. Number 5, behavior. Males tend to be more aggressive and territorial, while females are generally more docile and nurturing. Feather coloration. Some species of lovebirds exhibit sexually amorphic feathers coloring, with males having brighter and more vivid colors than the females. On the 7th in the list is wing shape. Males often have a more angular or pointed wing shape, while females have a more rounded wing shape. Last but not the least, on the 8th is vocalizations. Males may sing or make more noise than females, while females tend to be quieter and more reserved. It is important to know that visual gender identification is not always 100% accurate, especially for young or immature birds. Some of these methods may not be foolproof. The most reliable way to determine the sex of your parrot is through DNA testing. DNA testing is a reliable method for identifying the gender of lovebirds. Here are the steps you can follow to proceed with DNA testing of a lovebird pair. Choose a reputable laboratory. There are many laboratories that offer DNA testing services for the birds. Look for a laboratory that specializes in avian DNA testing and has a good reputation. The laboratory will need a DNA samples from each lovebird pair. The most common method for collecting DNA sample is by taking a blood sample, which can be done by a vet or an experienced bird handler. Alternatively, the laboratory may also be able to provide a kit for collecting feather or saliva samples. Once you have collected the DNA samples, follow the laboratory's instructions for packaging and shipping them. Make sure to label the samples clearly and include any necessary paperwork or payment. The laboratory will analyze the DNA samples and provide you with the gender of each lovebird. Depending on the laboratory and the type of test used, result may take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Important to note that DNA testing is generally more accurate than visual sexing or behavioral observations, but it is not foolproof itself. In rare cases, the test may produce inconclusive results, or there may be errors in sample collection or processing. Therefore, it is always a good idea to confirm the results. It is also pertinent to note that the accuracy of gender identification methods can vary depending on the individual bird and the experience and skill of the person conducting the assessment. Therefore, it is recommended to consult with a vet or experienced avian breeder for assistance in accurately identifying the gender of a lovebird. That is for this video. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to Nadia Pets Cross. Nadia Pets Cross is a YouTube channel dedicated to all things pets. Whether you are pet owner or simply love animals, this channel has something for everyone. We are passionate about pets and shares our knowledge and experience with audience through a variety of engaging and informative videos. From pet care tips, bird seasonal feed requirements, housing requirements to bird gender analysis, Nadia Pets Cross covers a wide range of topics. Whether you are looking to learn more about a particular type of pet or simply want to enjoy some adorable animal videos, this channel has you covered. Our goal is to educate the community of pet lovers with our little knowledge. So if you are pet owner or simply love animals, be sure to subscribe to Nadia Pets Cross and join the pet community. Thanks for watching.